Hello there. In this video I'll show you how to change the battery in the key fob of a Mark III Skoda Octavia, and all we need is a medium-sized flat-headed screwdriver, a small flat-headed screwdriver, and of course a new battery, specifically model number CR2025 or equivalent. Okay, now I need to press this silver button so that the blade of the key pops out. There it is. And now turn the key over so we can see its back, like so. And there on the back we have this large plastic panel. This panel needs to be completely removed, and we can see where it separates because there's a join there at the end of the screwdriver, and that goes all the way down here, and just for luck, all the way down there as well. Now, to remove this panel, take the larger of the two screwdrivers and insert it into this gap here, like so. That gap is where the blade of the key sits when it's folded shut. And now simply pry it gently open. You hear it click there? There it goes at the other side as well. And now, if all has gone well, which I'm optimistic it has, we can simply lift the panel completely away from the key. We can now see the battery. There it is. And if we zoom in and have a closer look, we can see that the positive terminal is facing upwards. And we need to remember that later on when we install the new battery and make sure that the new one faces in the same direction. First things first though, we need to remove the old battery by prying it out with the smaller of the two screwdrivers. Right, let's have a go. Now this battery may just ping out and fly across the room. It has been known in the past. Yes, there we go. It's landed way over there, conveniently close to the bin. Now, of course, we need to insert the new battery, and remember it's positive side up. So all we do is slide that into the key, something like that. And now all we need to do is take the back of the key, which I conveniently have here, pop back into position like so. See that? And then just gently squeeze the key back together. And there we go. That's how to change the battery in the key of a Mark III Skoda Octavia. Nice and simple, and all you have to do now is subscribe to CarSpyTV. See you next time. Bye-bye.